Hello everyone, today's video is something different from my other videos because today I am unboxing products that I bought from the Indus Valley. If you are thinking to buy cast iron, this video is for you. Please watch till the end. So I am unboxing some very special products today. Products that I bought from amazing website the Indus Valley. So this is the package that I got from the Indus Valley website. So let's open it first. I have been searching to buy a cast iron cookware and at last I bought it from the Indus Valley through their website. Nowadays we all are very conscious now while using non-stick, so best option other than the non-stick is cast iron cookware. As soon as I opened this package, I got this paper. In that all the instructions are given how we have to cook, how we have to season it and how we have to maintain this cookware. So I bought two products from this website. One is Deep Kadai and second one is Smooth Dosa Tawa. Let's open both the product first and then we will discuss about these products. So this is a very strong and sturdy kadai. Its base is flat. Let me first open the second product, that is Dosa Tawa, and later on we will talk about both the products. So second product is this Smooth Dosa Tawa. Wow, it just looks like a non-stick tawa. Okay, the dimension of the kadai is 30 into 25 into 9.5 cm and the weight is 2.8 kg and the price of this deep kadai is 1399. The wide and the deep base ensures even cooking. The flat base make it induction friendly. And newly designed handles improved ease of use and lifting of kadai. So the dimension of tawa is 32 into 28 into 0.8 cm and the weight of this tawa is 3.03 kg and its cost is 1199. The Indus Valley cast iron products last for lifetime. They are also pre-seasoned and ready to use. But if you want, you can season it. For that, instruction is given with the packaging. If you want to buy the cast iron cookware, you can buy directly from the website and even you will get it from the Amazon and Flipkart and other shopping website. To buy the cookwares, you will get all the links in the description box. As I already mentioned, it is already pre-seasoned, so no need to season it, it is ready to use. But before using, just wash it with the dishwash liquid and rinse it. After washing with the liquid soap, you can rinse it and just dry it with the cotton cloth. And you have to grease it with the oil. Cast iron gives the traditional rusting taste to your food. It requires very less oil to cook unlike non-sticks and other pots. Iron is really very healthy for our body. It also enriches iron content in our food. So we will get traditional healthy cooking. Indus Valley kitchen cookware are strong and sturdy and 100% natural kitchenware brand. So this way we have to dry it out very nicely with a soft cotton and take any cooking oil and grease it properly inside and outside. Moreover, the Indus Valley provides free shipping above ₹1999, fastest delivery, quick and easy tracking. You can use any mode of payment option along with the cash on delivery. In a similar way, I am doing with the tawa also. Now it's ready for cooking. Let's make dosa in this dosa tawa. Whenever you cook in a low to medium flame to avoid burning of food. Wow, look at that! Dosa is coming out as I am cooking in a non-stick. As you keep on cooking in it, it will start working as a non-stick cookware by the time being. So if you are also interested in buying cast iron, just visit the website The Indus Valley. Just shop it now from Indus Valley because now they have a special festive season sale currently happening. Make your festival cooking healthier by choosing the Indus Valley kitchenware and assured gift on every purchase. So don't miss this exciting deal. And if you use my code PRERNA15, you will get discount on all the products. Now I am using this kadai to make my sabji. Very little oil is needed whenever you cook it in this type of cast iron cookware. So I hope this video will definitely help you if you are thinking to buy the cast iron product. Once again, let me tell you that the Indus Valley have a vast variety of cast iron cookware in very reasonable rate as compared to other websites. So just go visit the website and enjoy shopping and make your family healthy and happy.